If your Payoneer account has already been blocked, and you want to solve this problem, first, take a screenshot of the issue. After that, go back to your phone home screen. Then open the Chrome browser. After opening it, go to the search bar and type Payoneer login. Then open the official link. After that, sign into your Payoneer account that has been blocked. After signing in, if this problem appears on your screen, you need to click on Contact Us. After that, this page will open. Then scroll up and then click on Contact Us. After that, scroll up again. Now you will need to fill out this form. In the first box, which is the language option, select English. Then in the second box, enter your official name exactly as it appears on your CNIC card. In the third box, enter your caste. Then enter the email address on which your Payoneer account has been blocked. Then go to the topic section and choose the option My Payoneer Account. Then, go back to the topic section and select Close or Reopen Account. After that, return to the topic section again and choose I want to reopen my account. Then in the comment box, paste this text. You can copy it. Then go to Choose File and attach the screenshot of your problem that you took at the beginning. Scroll up and tick this checkbox. Then click on Submit. After submitting the form, you will see a confirmation message like this. This means that Payoneer has received your request and will check your account issue. The reference number is important. It's like a tracking ID for your inquiry. You should save it because you can use it to follow up with Payoneer if needed. After submitting the form, Payoneer usually takes 24 to 72 hours to review your request. In some cases, it may take up to 5 business days depending on the issue. Once they have checked your account, they will send an email with instructions on how to reopen your account. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.